Jake, that smell is amazing. Is that what I think it is?
Yes, it is a fresh corn dog, Emma. Look at this color. It is like a golden sunset on a stick.
You are very poetic about a sausage, Jake. But honestly, it looks delicious. Is it hot?
It is perfect. The outside is crunchy and sweet. The inside is a juicy sausage. It is the best combination in the world.
I can hear the crunch from here. I usually eat sandwiches, but today, that corn dog looks like a winner.
It is more than a winner, Emma. It is a masterpiece. I think I can eat 10 of these right now.
10? Slow down, Jake. We have a podcast to record. But tell me, why do you like it so much?
It's the simple things, Emma. You don't need a fork, you don't need a plate, just a stick and some mustard. It is the ultimate happy food.
Happy food. I love that. It really is the perfect snack for a busy day. Okay, Jake, I have a very difficult question for you. A life or death question.
I am ready, Emma. Ask me anything.
Imagine you are on a desert island. You can only have one food. What do you choose? A hot, crispy corn dog or a slice of pizza?
Emma, that is a cruel question. Why are you doing this to me?
Just answer, corn dog or pizza.
Emma, I love this corn dog. It is my friend. But I am a pizza fan. I am a pizza fanatic.
A pizza fanatic? So, pizza wins?
Yes, always. I have a lot of passion for pizza. You can put anything on a pizza. Cheese, mushrooms, pepperoni. It is a circle of love.
A circle of love. Wow. But Jake, look at your corn dog. It is crying now. It feels sad.
Sorry, little corn dog. You are a great snack, but pizza is my first love.
I understand. Pizza is a classic. But okay, back to the corn dog. Do you know where it comes from? Who had the idea to put a sausage on a stick?
Well, Emma, it is a mystery. Some people say German immigrants in Texas started it in the 1920s. They had great sausages, but they wanted a new way to sell them.
The 1920s? So the corn dog is 100 years old. It is an old man snack.
Haha, yes. But it became a superstar in the 1940s at state fairs. You know, like big carnivals with music and games.
Ah, I see. At a carnival, you are walking. You don't have a table or a fork, so a stick is perfect.
Exactly. It was the first mobile food. No mess, no problem. Everyone loved it. It was the viral snack of the 1940s.
Viral in 1940? That is funny. No Instagram, just people eating on a stick.
True. And it became a big trend because it was cheap and fast. In the 1990s, it moved from carnivals to shopping malls and schools. It became a global icon.
It's true. Even here in our studio, it feels like a superstar. But Jake, I am looking at this yellow bread. It looks very thick. What is it?
That is the corn in the corn dog, Emma. But I think you know more about the kitchen than I do. Tell me, how do they make this magic jacket for the sausage?
Okay, Jake, listen carefully. It is not just bread. It is a special mix. We call it batter.
Batter? Like for pancakes?
Exactly. But for corn dogs, we use cornmeal. That is why it is called a corn dog. You mix cornmeal, flour, eggs, and a little bit of sugar.
Sugar? So is it a dessert?
No, silly. It is just a little sweet to match the salty sausage. You mix it with milk until it is thick, very thick.
And then, do you just paint it on the sausage?
No, that is the fun part. You put the batter in a tall glass, you put the sausage on a stick, and then dip. You dip the whole sausage into the glass.
Dip. I love that word. It sounds like a party. And then you fry it, right?
Yes, you put it in hot oil for a few minutes. The batter grows and becomes crispy and golden. It's like the sausage is wearing a warm, crunchy coat.
A crunchy coat. Emma, you are making me hungry again. I want to go to the kitchen and make one right now.
Wait, Jake, we're not finished. There's one more thing, the most important thing for a corn dog, the sauce.
Okay, Emma, let's talk about the big fight. Mustard or ketchup?
Ketchup, always. It is sweet, it is red, it is perfect for the corn dog.
No, 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 Emma, you are wrong. A corn dog needs mustard. Yellow, spicy, strong mustard. That is the traditional way.
Traditional. Jake, it is a sausage on a stick, not a royal dinner. But okay, some people like both, a striped corn dog.
A striped corn dog, like a tiger. I like that. Red and yellow together.
Exactly. Okay, Jake, your corn dog is finished. Our time is finished too. Do you feel like a corn dog expert now?
Yes, I do. I know the history, I know the recipe, and I know I am hungry for another one.
To our listeners, what about you? Do you like corn dogs or are you a pizza fanatic like Jake? Write a comment and tell us.
Yes, tell us your favorite sauce. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thanks for listening to Everyday English Talk. Enjoy your snacks, everyone.
Goodbye, and remember, life is better on a stick.
Bye-bye.